provide solution to the daily cipher for today. So, and daily cipher for today is Satoshi. Satoshi. So that's what we are going to be providing answers to today. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe for daily update on Hamster Kombat and any other airdrop, tap a hand. In short, for you to make money online, you have to follow this channel and make sure you like this video. So without wasting much time, the first thing we come to tap per end per tap, you are going to press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So now we are in the daily cipher side dashboard. So all our tapping will be within the range of the hamster kombat here. So we can press anywhere around there. So when you just tap on anywhere around here once like this, that's dot. Then when you press and hold for like 2 seconds, that's dash. You get it? Now the first letter we have here is S, so that's 3 dots. We are going to tap it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's our S. Then A dot and a dash. So we're going to tap, then press and hold. So that's our A. So then our T is dash. So you press and hold. So we have our T. Then our O dash in 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So then our S, that's 3 dots. Our S is 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. So then our H 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you following? So then the last one, high, so is 2 dots. 1, 2. So we got the correct answer now. So then take your price. So if you are yet to subscribe to this video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel for more updates. So see you in our next update. Make sure you subscribe to our channel.